Other than Evernote, the most popular note-taking application for Android as well as iOS devices is Google Keep. Part of this is due to the fact that the app is pre-installed on many devices, while another reason is that app comes directly from Google. So today we are going to take a look at some of the best tips and tricks to fully maximize your experience and take full advantage of Google Keep. There are chances that you have already spent some time on this app, having at least looked around. But we are here to show you ways to get more from the app. Just as an introduction, Google Keep is a note-taking service developed by Google, launched on March 20, 2013, and is available on the web and has mobile apps for the Android and iOS mobile operating systems. With Google Keep, you can create, share, and collaborate with people on notes and lists. It also keeps synchronizing all your devices across all your notes wherever you are. So without any further ado, let's get straight into Google Keep. You can add notes lists to your Google Keep, like grocery lists or to-do lists. One of the most talked about features is to add pictures to the notes. This way sorting becomes interesting. If you are traveling and suddenly you wish to jot down some important things, then the best option is to record a voice memo. Google Keep will record it as a voice, and it will also convert it into text in real time. This feature comes real handy and extremely productive during business meetings and classroom lectures. You can easily plan a surprise party by sharing your Google Keep notes with your friends and family and collaborating with them in real time. This allows you to add collaborators to your note, and this way each member can pick the items that they are responsible for, and all the members are notified in real time. This is also very helpful while you are at the grocery store and your partner could add any last-minute grocery and also gets notified as the items are checked. If you are liking this video, please feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Thanks, and let's continue further. Google Keep has the functionality of organizing the notes in different colors. There are different use cases to color the notes, like you can choose yellow for personal notes, blue for your work notes, and red for your important tasks. You can also put labels on the notes, which serve as folders like personal, professional, or shopping. Once you click shopping, all the shopping related items will show. Remember, Google Keep works seamlessly on your iOS, Android, tablet, and computer and syncs across all these devices. So in this case, you will never miss any tasks, labels, and reminders. Google Keep allows you to set a location-based reminder. So once you are near the required location, Google Keep will remind you on your mobile device. This is an extremely useful feature and works great during your shopping or groceries and so on. Google Keep has various functions to capture notes, including text, links, to-do lists, website links, and even audio. Users can set time-based reminders, which makes them productive, especially for scheduling meetings and sync with Google Now also. These reminders will also work on your Google Calendar. Text from images can be extracted using OCR or optical character recognition. It also converts images to text, which becomes handy during shopping receipts, creating important notes, references, and so on. To use this feature, simply take a picture that has text and that's it. Make a search on Google Keep and the picture will pop up. Google Keep also allows you to view notes from a multi-column view to a single column view. If you have written some previous notes on Google Keep, then you can convert them into checkboxes anytime. To do this, While using a note, touch the plus icon and click on the checkboxes, and the note will get converted into a checklist. You can also draw and write handwritten notes on Google Keep. Select a note, click on drawing and write on it. You can change the colors, convert a note into an online paper. You can also pin notes to keep the most important notes at the top for easy access. Speaking about search, Google search functions does not need any introduction. Just tap the search box at the top of your screen, filter your notes by different categories like lists, images, URLs, and so on. Also, if you click the yellow icon, you can see the personal notes, and blue will bring up all your work-related notes. You can find reminders easily by going on the left side and selecting the reminders. You can work on a note without affecting your original copy. Google Keep provides an easy solution for this. Open a note, then tap the three dots icon and click on Make a Copy. You will be taken to an exact replica of the note while your original note is intact. You can organize and rearrange your notes in Google Keep by just dragging and dropping. You can have shortcuts to add labels by adding a hashtag and then the label. You can easily integrate with Google Docs, drag images from Google Keep to Google Docs, or drag the checklists, or vice versa. You can also create subtasks to a task by dragging the 6 dots like this. So that's all on Google Keep. And did I mention that Keep is free for all devices? I'm sure you have liked the full tutorial. Try it if you are still not using this. I will leave a link for them for you to access this later. And before I wrap up, please do subscribe to my channel and do let me know your thoughts on this product and this cool app from Google. Have a great one and stay productive.